here at Best of the West Welding Competition at Mesa High School, promoted by Mesa Public Schools and sponsored by Brent Lewis.
I'm with Brent Lewis Welding Supply. I'm the Senior Technical Advisor. I'm also a Senior Trainer for Brent Lewis. Today is a good day. We're all going to have a lot of fun. The first annual Best of the West competition. I think if you kind of pan around, you'll see we've got a lot of excitement today. A lot of good students, a lot of good instructors. And I'm really happy to be part of this.
We're here at Mesa High School. We are conducting the first Best in the West welding competition. We have 8 high schools here, including all 6 high schools from Mesa, as well as Cortez High School from Glendale and Maricopa High School from the Maricopa School District.
We're a contractor that builds pressure vessels. We're an ASME code shop, and we're also a certified approved fabricator for the city of Phoenix. So we build anything from bridges, pressure vessels. We do a lot of mechanical piping for chilled water lines, chillers, cooling towers.
The teams are doing a team build for advanced welders, and that's a team build for 3 people. And then we have 2 Welding 1 students who are doing position welds. The combined team score wins the grand prize, which includes a welding machine, some helmets, and other welding accessories.
Bang, 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 bang! Marvelous, marvelous! Bang, bang, bang! Marvelous, marvelous!
For the grand prize, those things all go to Skyline High School.
This has been Javier and Samian reporting for CTV.